Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So as per expectation, US dollar is going up because in my previous video on Saturday I clearly discussed that as USD is going down and ultimately it has reached a support, then there will be some sort of recovery on US dollar. And as you can see that after the market opening on Monday, yes, US dollar is trying to recover, but we cannot deny that this cannot be a trend reversal because market is still under the dominance of sellers, or in simple words, US dollar is still in downtrend. Therefore you shouldn't forget that. Okay, so our strategy is going right because you can see that dollar is trying to recover, but as the market is under the heavy influence or dominance of sellers, therefore we can expect that after some time market will be facing the selling pressure again and USD will be going down. So if dollar starts going down again after some time, then definitely we will be getting a good buying position on the Euro USD, because we can see that Euro USD is in a very nice position, because when dollar will be coming down again from the resistance, okay, then hopefully Euro USD will be standing at the support level, and therefore this trend line is the best trading opportunity or the best trading possibility on the chart of Euro USD, because you can clearly see that, and I have already explained in my previous video on Euro USD that I posted Saturday, that Euro USD is beautifully following this trend line. Therefore this trend line is your best trading opportunity on Euro USD. So if market bounces from Euro USD, then you can easily go for buy. Just keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. Okay, and on the other hand, if Euro USD breaks the level, or in fact it starts going down, okay, then do not short the market. Do not think about shorting the market, because you can clearly see that, you can easily see on the chart that Euro USD is an uptrend, and as we all know, we should follow the trend of the market. The thumb rule of the market, the basic rule of the market is follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Euro USD is in uptrend right now, so there shouldn't be any doubt. Therefore we will mainly look for buying opportunities. So in case market also breaks the support here, we will still not go for shorting the market. We will wait for the market to give us a second opportunity or second buying opportunity at this level, 1.1800. And if you want to know in detail about the importance of these levels, then please watch the video on Euro USD that I posted on Saturday, where I have discussed in detail about these levels. Okay, so nothing has changed so far, because after the market opening we can see that market is quite flat, so that's why I'm not repeating the same stuff again. Okay, so on the other hand, if Euro USD starts going up from here, then also you not click on the buy button right away, because when market was very bullish, but still market failed to cross this level. So first of all, let the market cross this level, 1.189 1.1900. When market will be crossing this resistance level, then only you should think about buying. So in case there is a sudden buying pressure on the market, do not click on the buy button right away, because that can be a false breakout as well. And to avoid ourselves from false breakout, we should give some time to the market. So in case market start trading above this level, above 1.1900 level, just wait for a couple of hours, just wait for 3 to 4 hours, and just see how the price is reacting, how the price is doing. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours price is trading comfortably above this level, if you see that there is no struggle in the price is doing great, okay, then you'll get the confirmation that at last the resistance has become the support, or 1.1900 is the new support. Okay, it's the new support of the market. Then you can click on the buy button, but before that, avoid false breakout. Just wait for the confirmation. So buy at this level, buy at this level, or buy at this level. Only 3 buying opportunities on the chart of EUR USD. Hopefully you have understood. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again.